Hello and welcome back to another episode of Words Well Read, where words rule and we make learning fun. Today, we are going to add two more words to your vocabulary that are sure to impress. Our first word is assiduous. Assiduous. Assiduous means to show great care, attention, and to be hard-working, especially over a long period of time. For example, you could describe a diligent student who studies every day as assiduous, or a business owner who works tirelessly to achieve their goals. Here is a sentence example for this word. The government has been assiduous in the fight against inflation. Our second word is coalesce. Coalesce. Coalesce means to combine or blend together to form a whole. This word can describe how different elements such as ideas, groups, or substances combine to create something new. For example, you could say that different ideas coalesced to create a new and innovative solution, or that diverse groups coalesced to form a powerful alliance, or something like different substances coalesced to create a new material. Here is a sentence example for this word. The team's brainstorming sessions resulted in their ideas coalescing into a comprehensive plan for the project. So, when you are assiduous, you are putting in a lot of effort over a long period of time to achieve something. And when things come together as a result of your hard work, they can coalesce into a greater whole. That's all for this video, folks. If you enjoyed watching this video and learned something new, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next episode of Words Well Read. Till then, happy learning!